Hey man, you know where you watch.
Dancehall.
Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Hey yo, Skilla.
Alright everybody, you don't know who this already at the Skilla. And this have to go out to the whole public to see this one, cause this no really make no sense to me. A man the inside of the police station, either I'm in a handcuff or I'm in the jail cell, but the police shoot him in his head. He's not dead, he's not dead, but the shot grazed him. Right? Observe.
Jesus Christ! Who me talk about right there, so. Jesus! If they shoot him right there, so. And they shoot him. Look, so. Oh God, man! No, sir! Oh God, when I came to the hospital now! Jesus Christ! You don't want to go to the car? I'm really human being, oh my God! I can't believe you're human being,
Alright? Yeah. The shot grazed him. The bullet grazed him. You get what I'm saying? Alright. And you see the handcuff, the panning. So, what? You know what I mean? What? Because look at it now. If him in a arrest, if him in a jail cell, right? Right? What could I make a policeman go right to the jail cell to shoot him? It don't make no sense to me. Unless it is a jailbreaking that try to do, like say for instance the police are trying to feed the prisoners, and when them are going to feed the prisoners, maybe the policeman having gun pan him, or you know, just a try to picture image how this could have really happen. You see me? How a prisoner to get gunshot them way there, unless it's a jailbreak. And if it's a jailbreak, it would have involved more than one prisoner. Man, I tell you, these are the things that the social media need to look at. You know what I'm saying? Because there's a lot of wrong going on and a lot of false information coming from the people that are supposed to protect and serve. You know what I mean? No, a case like this, I have to ask Indicom, yeah, that Indicom, that are the inspector, them inspect police, and what them do, me know them depend this like a hawk. And you can count on me to give you the follow up of that story. You get what I'm saying? How this happened? You know what I mean? I mean, even if him there in the police station and him there in a handcuff, or maybe I drop the gun drop from the police and go out. But this contrary, man. This really contrary. You see me? I just can't understand. You know, so many different weapons. You know, and a shot catch him, graze him over your head. Alright. Man, I interrogate them, people, yo, you hear me? People, me alone can't figure this one out. Please, just help me to figure this one out. How is it that this man got a bullet wound while in handcuff inside a police station, or how him get bullet wound while in the prison, in the jail cell I should say, in a police station lockup? this is really contrary, yo. And I'm not going to put words in anybody's mouth, and I'm not going to put words or anything to it until we get the real facts. All I'm bringing to you right now is what's going on in Jamaica. Yeah, and this footage take place in a Mandeville. You understand? Right in Mandeville, this take place. Yeah, I tell the people, look, as always, if you're new to my channel, you know, please just click the subscribe button to stay up to date with what go on. You don't know what the Skilla is, the Skilla Entertainment, you know, the Dancehall Skilla Entertainment, I should say. And don't forget to leave a vital comment, yet don't be too harsh. I can't emphasize on that so much, you know, to keep it clean, you know. And I want to thank all my viewers for supporting me for this past year since I've been here doing my thing and so forth. But I really need your input on this one, alright? My name is Skilla, and this has been Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Here.
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch?